What is up, party people? Welcome to Grand Rapids, Michigan. My hometown, kind of. Grand Rapids is where I went to college, where I met my wife, where I bought my first home, and where I moved to New York from. On Easter Sunday at 9:15 in the morning, we headed to the airport to fly from Albany to Baltimore, and then from Baltimore to Grand Rapids, where Ginny was waiting for me at baggage claim. In Grand Rapids, we played the Forest Hills Fine Arts Center. Yeah, it was built in 2000. It is a shared venue for the Forest Hills School District for all of the different high schools there, but they also bring in touring productions frequently. This venue seats just over 1,200. Playing Grand Rapids was great because we got to stay with my brother-in-law who lives there with his wife, Carolyn. Got to check out my old stomping grounds, meet up with a couple of my friends.
For a hot second, I felt like that was baby. Put my heart in motion.
That's my friend Reagan. She just opened a great spa in Grand Rapids called Haven, and a bunch of the cast members went out to go check it out and get some massages and facials and stuff. It's also super exciting showing some of the cast and crew my favorite haunts, including Founders Brewing Company, and Stella's Lounge. When you leave home, it's hard to predict what about your home you're going to miss because you don't realize what you take for granted until it's gone. There's so much I miss about Grand Rapids. Olga's Kitchen, Twisted Rooster, so many friends, Ada Bible Church. But Ginny and I are New Yorkers now, and that's great too. So when you start to miss things about your bygone home, write them down. Make sure you make the time to visit those places and those people when you visit. We were only in Grand Rapids for 2 nights, so of course I didn't get to check everything off my list. But we did squeeze in plenty. And the best part is, Ginny's coming with us to the next stop for a whole week at that. And what is the next stop? Chicago, Illinois. My kind of town, Chicago is. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.